Dr. your physical therapist. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go below, press the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates. Today I'm going to demonstrate some very important stretches for lower body muscles pre and post game or before or after playing any games. Whether you're playing it recreationally or you're a professional player, these stretches will help you in warming up the muscles before game and also preventing any injuries while playing any sports. So let's see how these are done. So one of the most common injuries in sports is hamstring muscle strain. So it's really important to stretch this muscle before and after the game as well. So let's see how it's done. So for stretching your hamstring muscle, for example, left side, you can actually stand with your foot upright like this, knee straight. Now, keeping your back straight, just lean forward through your hip, like hinge forward. And then you would feel a stretch right here, okay? Go to a point where you feel a good stretch and no discomfort or pain. We're going to hold this position for 30 seconds and we'll do it for 3 to 5 repetitions, okay? And now, come back. Again, foot upright, knee straight, back straight. Just lean forward into it and you feel good stretch, okay? Now, the second stretch, especially this is more common in like basketball or soccer because of the kicking activity. So there's a sudden impact on the quadriceps muscle, which is that thigh muscle. So it's really important to stretch this muscle as well. So let's see how that's done. You bend your knee. You can hold on to the chair if you want, just for support. Or if you're able to do it without holding on, you can do it as well. So bend your knee, keeping your trunk upright. Go as far as you can till the time you feel a good stretch. Try not to arch your back or anything, okay? You'll feel the stretch right here. We'll hold it for 30 seconds and we'll do it for 3 to 5 repetitions, okay? And then relax. And the same thing you can do it on the other side as well. I'll show you again. Bend your knee to a point where you feel good stretch. Sometimes it's possible that I have full range here, but I've seen a lot of patients can only do up till here because their quadriceps muscle, the thigh muscle is really tight. So just go to a point where you feel a good stretch and try not to go beyond that because you don't want to cause any pain. So after doing that, we're going to focus on hip flexor stretch, which is the muscle here. So we'll do it in the same position, but this time you're just going to take your hip in a little bit of extension. When you do that, you feel the stretch right here. Go to a point where you feel good stretch, no pain, okay? Hold it for 30 seconds and then bring it down nice and slow. Again, bend your knee, extend your hip a little, okay? 30 seconds and bring it down. If any of these stretches are causing you a lot of pain or a lot of pulling, try to reduce the stretch or intensity of it, like try to come back a little and see if that actually gives you a good stretch and no pain or discomfort. Okay? Now, the most important stretch is the IT band or the TFL muscle stretch. So, for example, if I'm stretching my right side, I'm gonna bring my right leg behind the left one and then move my shoulder up here and then lean forward a little and then try to go like this. So I feel a stretch right here. Okay? We're going to hold this for 30 seconds and do it for 3 repetitions. There's also a possibility that if your muscle here is tight, you might feel the stretch here also and a little bit here as well. Again, bring the right leg behind the left one, arm forward, and then lean your trunk to one side. Okay? Feel the stretch. If it's too much, come back a little. Feel for that sore point where you feel that. And then hold there 30 seconds. And then 3 to 5 repetitions and come back. Okay? You can do the same for the left side as well. Now, the last one is the calf muscle stretch. For stretching your calf muscle, we're going to focus on the gastrocnemius muscle. Obviously, there are two calf muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus muscle. Both are important to stretch, but obviously the calf or the gastrocnemius muscle is the one which affects your knee also to a certain extent. So we're going to focus on gastrocnemius muscle. So to stretch that muscle, for example, if it's the left side, you're going to bend your knee, the forward one, and then go as far as you can with the left side. Okay? And then lean or lunge forward a little. Okay? I feel the stretch in my calf here. The more I lunge forward. I'm going to hold this position for 30 seconds and do it for 3 to 5 repetitions. Again, for stretching my left side, I'm going to keep my right one bent and then lunge forward as far as I can, as long as I feel the stretch in my back leg. But making sure that the heel doesn't come up. If your heel is coming up, that means you need to go back a little and then feel for that sore point and stay right there. Okay? Make sure the heel of the back leg doesn't come up. You're going to hold this position for 30 seconds and do it 3 to 5 repetitions. Okay? These stretches can be done before and after the game. Using a cold pack or an ice pack after the game will help you in reducing the soreness and the muscles. These stretches can be done for 30 seconds to 1 minute for 3 to 5 repetitions. Well, try to stretch a muscle to a point where you feel a good stretch and no discomfort or pain. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Or if you want me to make a video in future for any conditions, please do write it in the comment section below. Thank you.